Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Weekend Teach Talk, the live event where technology, creativity, and passion come together in one inspiring session. Alhamdulillah, it's a pleasure and an honor to have all of you join us tonight. Wherever you're tuning in from, thank you for making the time to be here and for sharing in this incredible journey of knowledge. Today, we're bringing you something truly special, a chance to learn directly from someone who's not just a name in the tech world, but a beacon of innovation, inspiration and generosity in sharing knowledge. So get your notepads ready, grab your favorite drink, and settle in for a session that's sure to leave you more inspired, more informed, and more connected. Now, without further ado, it's time to introduce our very special guest. Is tech enthusiast, a passionate learner, and a dedicated mentor who's always eager to share his insight and empower others on their own journeys. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a virtual round of applause. Fill the chat with your cheers and emojis as we welcome the one and only Fadlan Hidayat. Fadlan, the stage is yours.
Okay, hello guys, my name is Falin Daya. Today I will give you a tutorial to make a personal website. But before that, I will give some presentation to uh, to give you the material. Please, introduction about HTML and CSS. Have you ever wondered how to a website is created from scratch? And website is like a house. Like imagine you build a house with HTML and CSS. HTML is a basic structure, a foundation of house, and CSS a built-in decoration. The next is HTML structure like a bricks and wall. The HTML is a strong foundation, the basic framework that support the entire website. The second is logical construction, arrange the placement of each element in a structured manner. The last is basic planning, such as wall, roof, and floors in the house. And next is what is CSS? CSS is like interior design. It's like a paint and decoration of your house. Provide visual styling to basic HTML element. The main function is to set the color of all elements, determine the component size, select the font type and size, determines the page layout. And the next is how HTML and CSS work together. In HTML structure is use a link to connect the HTML file and the CSS file. And integration harmonious cooperation between structure and design. And the final result of uh, HTML structure and CSS styling is a complete website that is functional and attractive. Next is JavaScript. Completing the house analogy. JavaScript is interactivity, make the website dynamic and responsive. The second is visual display, attractive and aesthetic interior design. And last is basic structure, a strong foundation that supports everything. Website development process. The first is browser request. The browser requests a blueprint to the server. The second is structure delivery. The server sends the HTML file to the browser. The third is framework building. Browser builds structure based on HTML. And the fourth is design implementation. Browser apply CSS design to Beauty to the browser. And the last is function activation. The browser runs JavaScript code for interactivity. The conclusion is HTML is the basic structure of the website is the strong and organized, such as a foundation, walls, and the roof of the house. The second is CSS, visual element that make a website attract- attractive, such as paint, furniture, and interior decoration. And the third or the last is JavaScript, interactive component that bring a website to life, such as electrical system and household appliance. Okay, now we will make the the website, the personal website. Wait, I will stop. Okay. This I will share screen to my Visual Studio Code or VS Code. This already, this already show or no? Yes. Okay. First thing is you have to make a folder. This already make a folder. The name is personal website. When you not already make is you make a new folder and give a name. After that, select your folder, and after that there is the name of your folder. The first is you make a file of HTML. So you given index.html. And the second is you make CSS file. I will give name is style.css. Okay. And you must have extension. This is extension. You must install HTML. HTML CSS support. You install this uh, extension. After that, you install HTML preview. And after that, you install HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Synapse. And after you already install three extension for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you must install two extension that give function to see your website or preview your website. The name is Live Server. You install Live Server and Live Server Fab Server. There is two. Install this two extension, and the last is Prettier. This this to make your code good and not. And after that, after your installation the extension, we go to the file index HTML. We just write this. After that, enter. This there is a method to make a user more comfortable to make a code. The first is you change this title to personal set or others. And after that, you must make integration of HTML and CSS. You make this link and enter. And have this, you write down a file CSS, name of file CSS, style.css. Just click this. It's already connected or integration. After that, we will make a header or navigation bar for our website. You you press the control and shift the and you press this. This already make the comment. you return header. After that, enter, and you write header and enter. That you make div, and there is class. The class is container. Enter. After that, you write, you write nav or navigation, and after that, you make a section for your logo. This div class logo, and the logo is portfolio. And after that, you make place for your nav link. Nav link. Oh, yes. Thanks. Because there is many links. After that, you make a list. This enter. Oh, we not. Wait, wait. We change to this. We change the div, this div to uh, and second. For that, you return ID, and for a link, this, and this name of your link. The first is home, and you just copy or duplicate. You press Ctrl C and V. You copy to 5 link. That change this to about, this to scale, and the third to project. And is we make for in here. Dot this for a make a class, and the class name is home. Ulang nggak gitu? Ya udah, coba tanyain ke Mister. Mister, this uh,
Ya, just continue ya.
oh yes, okay, okay. I will say scan again. Yes. You want to make the header this, and after that we make a hero content. Huh? Yeah, this is the first section and have ID is home, and after that we make div and give class is container and hero content, and make a div again and the class hero text, and you make for text this hello and style color and this pen for your name. We will see if there is go live in here. This extension like server. Okay. Wait. We'll, after that, uh, we give a paragraph, and this I will just copy paste for my text. This I'm a personal web developer specializing in creating beautiful and functional websites. Welcome to my portfolio. And after that, you make a button. This a link, curve, and this, and here you write that contact me. Okay, and give a class in your the name is okay. That and here you make a place for your image, your image, and okay, yes. And give this a profile image, image. See? And this you can uh, make a folder. The name is AMG, and you can put your image inside that. You put my image. Yes, you put in here. Yeah, this copy paste this image, and after that, uh, choose this folder image and your image. Okay, and for that we make for decoration. This is give make a div. The and give class is save, and here give another class is shape font. So that you copy and thanks to save to save. Okay, we already make for a foundation of HTML, and after that we will make a style CSS. Okay, first is make this and make margin 0, padding 0, and book sizing everything. Okay, okay. Book sizing border box. Okay. Okay. And we will give tile for HTML, scroll, behavior, smooth. Okay, after that, we will give tile for body element, and after that, this one family is Sagoe, Sagoe UI. Nah, after that, then hack is just follow me, guys. Color, and after that, we turn color. Nice. And overflow. Control X. Hidden. Nice. And if link styling is text correction now, and color is okay. After that, we will give the uh, style again is list style none, and give image link style is with 100%, and this give max width 9 like this. Okay, that for class container and give and styling the margin 0 and auto, set that padding 0 and 20 px of our pixel, and for that make for btn class is display play block line block. After that, we will give a padding is 12 pixel and 30 pixel. For that, we give a background color is and color for the text inside button, and border alone. We will not use border, and give a radius border radius. Wait, border radius. Okay, it's 5 x or pixel. After that, give a cursor pointer. Okay, and give a transition all 0.3 is okay. This second, and after that, give a convex is bold and text transform capitalism of uppercase K and give a letter spacing 1 pixel and font size 0.9. Okay, that we make hoverboard this button. Background color change to this, and for that transform translate a 3 minus 3 pixel and it looks 0 10 pixel 20 pixel and give color at the TV 0 0 0 0 0 point 1. Okay, and sec- section is padding if padding. Okay, for that we will make for header style position set top 0 100% background color this and box shadow pick a box shadow this 0 to pixel spline LG and for that give Z index 100 and transition is copied from here. Okay, that make for enough display flex and the follow this justify content wait I will format okay justify content space within align item center and padding 20 pixel and 0 for that we'll make for logo this font size 1.8 rank and font weight 700 and give a color this okay at that position relative okay that next it for logo after is content ocean absolute with egg background this will change to this okay after that we make for nav link this display text. Okay, and you follow this for knuckling. There is knuckling LE. This margin left. Give a margin left velocity X, and the color of knuckling A is this. And this for an animation or transition. Just copy from here, delete this, and change. Okay, and this change to purple, and this too. Okay, after that we'll make for hero section of the last. Okay, the last is home, yeah, like this, and the this there is height 100 v height, full height, display flex, line item center, background linear. Wait, this will be just like this, and like this. You can write this linear gradient. This. With our position is relative and overflow hidden. And we will make for hero content. Hero content. Give a style is display flag. And after that, align item center is for a position to center and justify content. Space between. Okay, with that give hero text. Okay, for hero text, this will give. There is wait. Hero text flex one, padding right, 30 pixel, and hero text has a font size. And this you can follow this. You can copy this code. After that, we will make hero text and button like this. Hero text and space uh, class button and version fed in up 1.4 second is. And for that, we will make for hero image. This for hero image. Okay. Text one, text one center, animation float, infinite hero image. Okay. And for that, we will make save or decoration. This we have three, right? This the first is chef position absolute, and this for step one, step two, step three. This just change the color. This for purple, and this red, this, and this purple again. Alright. With that, we will make animation. Use keyframe, and name is uh, float. Okay. Wait. Yes. Animation. I will give all like this. For animation, there is we have fade in, fade up. There is float, move, move down, and scale fill. Okay. This already we will see the what the result. Okay. Wait. Self scan. This are they see or not? This is the result of our website. There is animation for knuckling and animation float for image, and there is transition or hover for button. Okay, maybe that are from me for tutorial my personal website. Will give to and to host Raja Gustav.
Okay, Alhamdulillah, thank you so Fadlan. What an incredible session. Uh, the wraps up our weekend results session here on HTML and
Muted,
CSS.
muted, Gustav. It's still muted.
On Alhamdulillah, that wraps up our Weekend Teach Talk session tonight on HTML and CSS. A huge thank you to Fadlan Hidayat for sharing his insight and tips with us from structuring web page to making them look great with CSS. To everyone watching, remember, learning HTML and CSS is just the beginning of your web development journey. Keep practicing, experimenting, and building web is your playground. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more Tech Talk. Until next time, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.